Starting around 09 October 2023, Algorand really is exchanging at $0.097 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Algo explicitly has a by and large all-out market cap of $765,649,278, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,720,360, which certainly is very huge. This generally makes Algo, truly positioning at 44 in the digital money market in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand in every practical sense be by and large worth in 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. Is Algorand a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Algo cost generally outperform its untouched high, or so they truly thought? These really are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Algo cost in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally cross an essentially normal value level of 12 cents, the normal especially least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the truly current year ought to sort of be 12 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Algo can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of 13 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Algorand could generally stretch around 11 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 generally is 10 cents with a by and large normal cost of 11 cents in a really significant manner. Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand basically is supposed to in a real sense be at around a really least of 11 cents, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand cost can by and large arrive at a for the most part limit of 12 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, showing the way that Algorand cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 12 cents, with the truly normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars. Algorand value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to truly be at around at least 11 cents, which essentially is very huge. Algorand cost can for the most part arrive at a very limit of 12 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, certainly further appearance how Algo really has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $765,649,278, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,720,360, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand basically is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at a truly least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which especially shows that Algorand value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is supposed to truly be at around a really least of 11 cents, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The Algo cost could basically arrive at an essentially greatest worth of 13 cents, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, which generally is very critical. Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is truly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a kind of typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 13 cents and at least 12 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand kind of past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been somewhat diminished by 3.92% in its fundamentally current worth, which especially is very huge. Assuming we explicitly analyze the kind of current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which most certainly is very huge. Algorand in a real sense is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a significant manner. The Algo truly is down to nearly 7.01% in the genuinely most recent 7 days, so Algo, value estimate December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand by and large is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a sort of typical cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of 13 cents and a really least of 12 cents in every practical sense. Significant way. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past essentially couple of days. The coin could have sort areas of strength for of yet. We don't basically believe that it would a beneficial resource in for the most part present moment, or so they sort of thought. Inside the for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo basically diminished by 58.884%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of 14 cents from its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be an especially great generally purchase a potential open door for truly speedy venture, exhibiting that assuming we in a real sense look at the for the most part current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, or so they thought. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 60.38%. And the cost truly flowed from a really least especially normal cost of 23 cents to especially greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of 25 cents in the fundamentally beyond 90 days. Essentially further appearance how this unexpected down by and large implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a by and large really great, generally purchase a potential open door for speedy venture, showing that in the event that we for the most part look at the genuinely current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's. You can generally see that the market cap especially is likewise down, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand truly is somewhere near 48.22%. With the certainly most extreme sort of typical cost of the coin, in a real sense was around 17 cents, and the truly least exceptionally normal cost of most certainly was around 16 cents in extremely beyond 4 months, in a kind of significant manner. Algorand Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will really be Algorand genuinely worth in 2023, which all things considered, is very critical. The Algo cost in a real sense is determined to sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of 13 cents, with least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Does Algorand in a real sense have a future, which sort of is very huge? As far as value, Algorand for the most part has a remarkable really potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, genuinely further appearance how this unexpected down basically implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a very decent by and large purchase an open door for essentially speedy venture. Exhibiting that assuming we for the most part look at the genuinely current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a fundamentally enormous manner. It sort of is estimate that Algo will increment in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Algorand can raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $3.93 till 2030. Which basically shows that Algorand value figure October 2023